Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. Now, family, I know I've been gone for a while, kind of disappeared on you guys, and I'm a business unit leader at a top Fortune 200 company, so I'm not one of these guys that sleeping in his mom's basement or don't have anything else to do but do videos. But I also do have a career and I've been really, really busy, man. I've been putting in so many hours. And, I was actually putting in a lot of those hours when I was making videos. So, I would come home, man, my eyes, I go back and look at my old videos. I can see that, I could barely keep my eyes open, still trying to pump out videos. And, I got to the point where I was just a little tired and, man, I had to focus on my health. And so, yeah, man. So, I'm glad to be back today, and hopefully, I can start back posting more videos. All right, but the market is going crazy right now, and people are panicking. Are we in a recession? We know interest rates are going up, and we know that those interest rates are really going to have a negative impact on business. Now, I opened up my personal property taxes a couple of weeks ago, and I was shocked, man, because I couldn't believe my personal property taxes double. And I had to call someone and see what was going on, and they say my personal property taxes double because the value of my vehicles have gone up. Now, I don't have brand new vehicles, but the price or the value of vehicles have gone up drastically. And so as a result, my personal property taxes double. So of course I didn't like that. And so there's a lot of people that are in those same situations. And you go to the grocery store, prices of everything is just up. And so when these prices go up, people are going to spend less money. And so when you start hearing earnings reports, I think Target missed its estimated profit per share, EPS. They missed their earnings per share. Sorry. I think Walmart have excessive inventory, and again, people aren't spending as much because the overall cost of things have gone up so much. And the stimulus packages are gone, no more stimmies. So you have that going on as well. And so again, we may be facing some challenging times because I saw that Facebook is actually put a freeze on hiring people. I think Amazon may be laying off some people. May lay off some people. So there is a lot of things going on. And with those increasing interest rates, the housing market will cool off. It's inevitable. The housing market will cool off, and so people aren't going to be buying as many houses. Construction is going to slow down a little bit. All right, so overall, everything will be impacted by the rising cost of our goods and the rising interest rates. All right, so but going back to the recession, is this a recession? Well, let me take you back to a couple of times where we've had some nice, good bear markets or a reversal to the downside in the market. And so over here, I have let me see here. So the first one I have is in 1999. So we had a huge run up from 95 to 99. So we kind of topped off there in 2000. And then we had a bear market. See, this is monthly candles. So each candle represents a month. And so from January of 2000 to September of 2002, right? We had a 38% overall decline in the market over the period of 2 years. So that's what you call a bear market, when you have extended periods of downtime, of stagnant movement and downtime, a downturn in the market. All right, so this is what we consider a really, really extreme bear market, right? When you have years of just decline in the market. Also, and so we did in 2002. So we began to reverse reverse trend, and we had a nice move to the upside for years. The market is going well from 2003 to 2007. And then again, we had the housing crash, right? So we had the housing crash, right? And so we had a long downtrend again from 2000, October 2007, when we hit our high, right? All the way down to March 2009. Again, 2 years, strong sell off for 2 years. Now, I was employed, the company that I work with now, I was employed with them then. All right. And I'm going to tell you a story. There were two people at the time, two electricians. Uh, they both had $700,000 in their account at the start of, in their retirement accounts at the start of 2007. Then once it dropped, it began dropping in 2007 and 2008. So one electrician, I think, okay, so both of them had 700,000. Then their accounts both fell to about maybe 450, 500,000. One electrician sold all of his positions in stocks and ETFs and then the index funds and moved his money into a guaranteed interest account. The other electrician kept his 450 to $5,000 in his stocks and index funds, and they both continue saving 10-15% of their money. But the other guy, when we had this reversal here, he had his money in guaranteed interest, right? Well, he's missing all of this, okay, but he's going to get that guaranteed 2.5, possibly 3% earnings on his interest on his money in his guaranteed interest account. The other electrician continued buying stocks, buying index funds, investing in the market, right? And so he rolled this all the way up for years, right? And so so he rode this all the way up from 2009 to around 2000 to around 2020, right? And so think about this. The one electrician who invested his money end up retiring with over $3.5 million, right? The electrician who had guaranteed interest, that 450 grew to back to his 700,000, right? So if he would have kept his money in the stock market, investing in ETF funds and index funds and great stocks, he would have rebounded, but he panicked. He did exactly what 80-90% of retail investors do. All right. When times are going rough, you don't panic. You keep selling, you keep investing, because overall, when you look at the total market, it's only going to go upwards. Now, if you're day trading and you're making, a living day trading, there may be some time for you to reconsider what you're doing, because again, you know, 85-95% of the people that trade actually lose money, right? So if you're not a professional, these could be some difficult times for you, especially when you're trading, when we're trading sideways for such a long period of time. And so when you look at the previous months here, right? So we had a nice run up. So we had, two down months, right? And then we began to reverse in 2020, right? So we had topped out December of 2021. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive months to the downside, right? But it isn't huge declines in the market, right? But just subtle decline in the market. And so everyone's panicking because we're not having this strong run up. But again, remember, fam, run ups don't last forever. We're going to have some pullbacks in the market, right? And so again, family, continue investing in great companies, continue investing in great index funds, and also continue investing in ETFs if you are. So one of the best ETFs out there is the Vanguard Total Index Funds, which actually has holdings of pretty much the whole entire stock market, right? The whole stock market index. So when you take a look at the max here of the fund, when you take a look at it, broad picture, man, this thing is only going up. The market is designed to make money, not lose money over the long haul. So family, all you have to do, again, I love to trade some stocks. I do love to trade some options, but for the most part, 85% of what I own is in a solid company paying me great dividends and the index funds and ETFs. Now, family, that's all I have for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the information. I hope you guys continue coming back to the channel. I'm back. I will be posting more videos. All right. And again, I'm all about, financial success, personal development. So I'll be giving you information on those stocks and books by Bree. All right. Great stocks, great books, and also some crypto plays. All right. I'm still long in crypto too. I still have a strong belief in the crypto. So I'm still holding out in some, 20, 25 different cryptos. Some may recover, some may not recover, but that's another story. All right. But as for now, family, have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the information. Please keep coming back for more excellent, outstanding information. Peace.